To add a bank account or debit card to Venmo. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can add or link your debit card or bank account to your Venmo account. In order to begin with, log in into your Venmo account. After that, you'll be taken to the home page. And once you're on the home page, click on the profile icon or the dollar shape icon located right at the bottom. This is gonna take you to the account section page. On this page, click on the gear icon located right on top. After that, you'll be taken to the settings page. Underneath, you need to go through all of these information. Underneath, you'll be able to find multiple options. Click on payment method. As soon as you click on payment method, you'll be able to find add a bank or card. Just tap on the plus icon. As soon as you've done that, on the lower half of your screen, you'll be provided with multiple options such as bank, debit card, MX, and all that. If you want to add a bank account, click on bank. Next interface, you'll be asked to provide in the details of your bank such as account number and then the security code, social security number, and all that, and you've successfully linked your bank account to your Venmo. However, if you want to link a debit card, then do the same procedure. All you need to do is just tap on debit card or credit card instead of bank account. Right over here, you'll need to provide in the debit card information that includes entering the card number and then the name on the card, expiry date, and all that. Once you've done that, you'll be able to add the card as well. In this way, you can add or link your debit card or bank account to your Venmo. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.